Welcome to our tutorial on how to view all groups attachments on Telegram. If you're an avid user of this messaging app, you may find it frustrating to search for specific attachments in a busy group chat. Luckily, there is a simple way to view all attachments in one place. Here's how. First, open Telegram on your Android device. Navigate to the desired group that you want to view attachments from. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the group name or profile photo at the top of the screen. Once you've tapped on the group name or profile photo, you'll see a list of attachment types such as media, files, links, and voice messages. You can select any of these options to view specific types of attachments. This feature allows you to easily find and access any media, files, links, or voice messages shared within the group. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently view all groups' attachments on Telegram. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to keep track of all the shared content in a group chat. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Telegram.